Hello everyone, it's Melissa from Metropolitan Cosmetics. Everything that we do at Metropolitan Cosmetics is about a transformative process, a creative process, a process of improvement in quality of life, in self-esteem. What's important about this, and what I'd like to explore further, is beauty is not skin deep. It's from the inside out. It's the luminosity of enlightenment, intelligence, and creativity. What's important, thinking about it, is a thought can be likened to electricity, and the attached emotion, magnetism. So effectively, our thought and feeling process becomes an electromagnet, creating our present life. We then attract precisely what we think and feel. And so over the next period of time, I'd like to explore that concept so that we can become sovereign masters of our mind and bring in the future that is desirable for ourselves and everyone else.